Hello guys, so this is my new laptop. It's the Lenovo Ducati 5. After a lot of time, finally it came today. So it was delivered by this courier service, and you can see the logo and branding here, Lenovo Ducati 5. You can see the specs. So let's get inside. I can't wait anymore. So here we get the here we get the laptop. I think maybe it's a nice bag from the Lenovo. And here is the charger, I think. So let's keep all this aside and let's get on to the main thing. It's quite heavy. So here we have the magic cutter. Bismillah. Nice, very sleek Ducati design, as you can see. Okay, so let's get inside. This is the box. It's a pretty cool box. Oh, here we have the laptop, as you can see. Let's take it outside. Oh, it's not that heavy. It's pretty lightweight compared to its. So here we have the sticker, I think. Let me open this. Oh, sorry. So here we have the laptop. It's a pretty cool branding of the Ducati course. Here you get the Lenovo, and it's a 1000 piece limited edition. I got the 915. So here you can see the maybe limited edition logo here. It's pretty cool. So that's all. I'll let you guys know how it goes with the performance. And